guys, this is going to be my New Year's Eve tutorial, and I'm going to be featuring my Too Faced chocolate bonbons palette that I actually got for Christmas. This is the first time I've ever done any looks with it, so I'm really excited to see how the shadows look and how they work out. I also used my glitter lip kit, and this is something that they sold on Sephora maybe 2 years ago. It's just glitter. So I have like glittery lids, if you can see that, but I just really wanted to come up with something fun and sparkly, glittery, and purple for New Year's Eve. I'm probably going to be just lounging around my house for New Year's Eve, but if I feel like getting a little festive, maybe I will put this makeup look together. But I hope you guys like it, so stay tuned. do my contour. Make sure I'm in focus. Okay guys, so this is my finished look for my New Year's Eve tutorial. I wanted to do something purple and glittery and fun, so I chose like a pinky purple lip and I did the glitter on the lids, and I really like the way this look came out. So I will leave all the products listed below, of course, and I love this palette. I really do. This is my first time using the Bon Bon palette, and I pretty much use all the colors from here. I think I used I used one other color from another chocolate bar palette, but this palette is awesome so far. So if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. I hope everybody has a safe and fun New Year's Eve, and I will see you guys in my next video. I think I'll have another video up before 2016. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.